Welcome. In front of me I have the Nokia 3210 and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device and its specifications. Now I want to point out that Nokia is not really Nokia anymore, it's owned by HMD. I don't know if this stands for something, to be completely honest, but it's basically Nokia as a sub-brand now. So let's pop it open, and inside we have the relatively small device for current times, especially the display. Super light, but I don't think there is a battery inside because it's right here, I think. Yep, there we go. Now inside you can also see we have a charger, and that is a Type-C, though it is not detachable from the charger itself. Get the battery out. I'm just gonna, there we go. Now we can already see we have a dual SIM card support right here. I think that's dual. Nope, never mind. Right? Oh yeah, it is. So one SIM card goes here, one here, and on top of this SIM tray you also can use an SD card. Anyway, let's close that up and boot it up. It's this button right here. There we go. So the display right here is a 2.4-inch display with a resolution of 240 by 320. It is a TFT LCD display with a 28% screen to body ratio and a pixel density of 167 pixels per inch. Now when it comes down to internals, the battery that I put in here was a 1450 mAh battery. The device itself comes with a Unisec T107 processor, comes with also 64 megabytes of RAM and 128 megabytes of storage, I think. It can be expanded using the SD card. So, all in all, this device is basically designed as a kind of like a burner. Maybe you want to have a phone that you don't mind if it gets broken if you go hiking, kayaking, or whatever. This is something that you're gonna get. It's just 50 bucks about, give or take a couple dollars. And yeah, it's basically a super affordable device that will get you through. Other than that, it does have a camera here, addition, though this is a 2 megapixel camera, so don't expect too much. There is no selfie either. So it is just basically a phone designed to make phone calls and maybe have the occasional kind of like web search, as I'm pretty sure it does have connectivity to network. But other than that, it's going to be the most bare-bone device that you have probably used in a decade. And that being said, even though it's the most bare-bone device, it still has a headphone jack, which is kind of hilarious. And additionally, another thing that it has is the Type-C port, which if you use these kind of devices before, you know that previously, when they were actually being used on a daily basis by normal people, they had some usually proprietary plugs. Now, because this device was released this year, it is forced by European Union to actually include a Type-C port on here. So that's why it comes with Type-C. Now, anyway, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.